Welcome and good morning, everybody. I am out here in Warner Valley. Let's do a little check-a-rooney on what we're going to be doing today. So the plan is, we're going to go that way. And it's super sandy here. Like, we're just in sand. It's pretty insane. And I'm bad at riding sand. I'm not used to it. It's super low traction. It's hard to ride. It's actually a little cold out here right now. So we're gonna flip around here and we're gonna go that way a little bit just to see where things take us. It's so cold, has to like warm up my bike again. All right, let's go. I think the plan is we're just gonna stick to this road. We're not gonna do too many turns. We're just gonna go up and see where the trail takes us today. Does it keep going? Uh-oh. Sometimes it's hard to get back into first. That was the first little like fun section. I don't know where I'm going. Does it go over here? Kind of looks like someone's come over here at one point. Whoa, that's a really sharp rock. Woo! Wow. So some of this rock, I'm like, I don't know where the trail is. Wow, this is crazy. Alright, there's the trail, I found it. Cool. So yeah, trail goes that way or this way. Dude, I am not used to this stuff. I need some more momentum here. There we go. That was just me being It's so much easier to climb this stuff than on my bicycle. This is just like, okay, just, I don't know, hold the throttle and go up it. Ooh, we did it. We climbed up. But I don't really want to go this direction. If anything, I want to go that way. So let's take a look at this amazing view, just for a sec. Okay. Oh my gosh. Look at that. There's a bunch of roads that go out that way. Is this part of Warner Valley? It's gotta be, right? Wow. So let's go this way for a sec. See what we can find. Oh, this is not where I want to be. I guess we're gonna commit. Are we going to commit? No, we're not gonna commit. We are gonna commit. I was too scared. Oh my gosh. There's so much, like, that was crazy. I've never done anything like that on my motorcycle before. All right, let's stick to the lower. That was nuts. I'll stay in first gear too, because my goodness. Ooh, this is tight. Woo. Just got my boot stuck right there. I don't know if I'm gonna come back this way. This is kind of sketchy. This is kind of crazy. You drop here, sharp turn, dead at. The day of firsts. Whew.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true.
Look at all
I
that.
wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it. All the searching, pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I can feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is
like
really
there's a
trying
trail
me.
somewhere.
Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from anxiety. I need my space, I need my privacy. I need some silence, please, you're all too loud. You don't speak quietly, opinions violently thrown across every surface. It makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. The view, the pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this life solutions, tie up some loose ends.
It's not so sandy that it's like impossible.
A place like this, it didn't exist.
calves are killing me.
So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone. Just wanna break, no, I'm not gonna give in. Take a last shot, Michael J. Win. No, I'm not a robot, I'm in my own skin. Never get lost when thoughts pull you in. I miss the old you, we died with a purpose. All the energy around me felt nervous, scared I would pop out fast to the surface. Had to cut it off before you made me worthless. Torn apart, I've been torn and scarred. I had to give an art, but now I'm thinking smart. I'm keeping up my guard, I'm hiding every card. A royal flush of love, you never know what's hard. With a back to the mat, gonna see where I'm at. I'ma fight like I'm mad, I'ma be something that they can never be me. Nice try, but they'll see I achieve everything while they stay salty.
I started to go, gotta get through. I started to go, gotta get through.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do. And now I feel like taking off, find a place place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you.